As temperatures plummet in Himachal Pradesh, scores of tourists are heading towards the hills, in particular their favorite destination, which is Manali. And a little far away from there is Solang Valley, where we're standing at this point of time. And we have some visitors all dressed in a Himachali attire, looking very beautiful. Let's just have a word with them. You were telling me you've come from Karnataka.
Yeah.
Do you think this place is living up to the hype?
Yeah, of course, because we came from Karnataka. We enjoy a lot with snow. Main reason is snow enjoying and snow activities.
Is this your first time here?
Yeah, this is first time. It's a very fantastic.
But there are also lots of people who are headed here. Do you think it's very crowded and there's traffic jam? I think a lot of people would be worried, too many crowd, too many people.
Yeah, we are also worried about that, but we witnessed the live snowfall.
Look at the number of people who are really turning up. And as the day progresses, that's how things really look like, because everybody wants to enjoy the snowfall.
Yeah, we witnessed the live snowfall and we enjoyed a lot. Yeah, the hype is very, very, very high. We enjoying a lot and lot.
With the hype, there's also the vibe.
Yeah, exactly. Vibe is full on hype.
And what about you? What is your message to the tourists, in terms of precautions?
Plan properly. Don't come here for weekend. Plan properly and come.
Plan properly and come. And there you see, as the vehicles really come here, that's the favorite hotspot, because a lot of tea is being sold out here and people obviously coming in large numbers. The sort of excitement, and we're looking at adventure tourism, and that's what Manali is now come to be known for. And now let's just have a look. All age groups, people with kids, people in general, and this is the snowfall that people are looking at. Look at that, throwing snow all around. And let's see, this is where the kids now really enjoying. This is what Manali is really known for. So here you go, taking that shot now on the camera, and this is where, that's the perfect shot they've got on camera. आप लोग कहाँ से आए हैं?
हरियाणा से,
हरियाणा में कहाँ से?
चरखी दादरी से, रोहतक से,
बहादुरगढ़ से। वैसे हम सुंदरनगर रह रहे हैं, बीबीएम
हाँ, तो रेस्लर्स के इलाके से आए हैं, लेकिन ये बताइए, सर्दी का माहौल है, कैसे एंजॉय कर रहे हैं बच्चों के साथ?
बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा एंजॉय कर रहे हैं, लेकिन हमारी गाड़ियाँ फंस गई हैं, हम आगे नहीं जाने दे रहे।
और नया साल यहीं मनाएंगे आप लोग?
नई क्रिसमस मना लिया, कल इधर आज चले जाएंगे।
बहुत अच्छा एंजॉय किया कल हमने, बहुत मजा आया, बहुत मजा आया, बहुत
ट्रैफिक
आया। नहीं फंसे, नहीं ट्रैफिक में नहीं फंसे बिल्कुल भी।
So we are looking at minus temperatures, and this is where, now look at those small kids really enjoying, have a fantastic time. And remember, as far as traffic advisories are concerned, the next 48 hours, which is from 27th, 28th, there could be slight snowfall, and this is where things are really getting packed for action ahead of New Year's, with scores of tourists now heading towards Manali. And this, for several years now, is a tourist favorite destination. And even as we look at snow, this is, remember, a great time for everybody to come in here. But remember, take precaution. It is extremely cold, biting cold, minus temperatures. But if you can enjoy the fun, here it is. Scores of people already here in place to avoid the sort of traffic jams just before the New Year. And this time, this is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So that's a extended weekend now after the New Year's, where people are going to relish. And this is the first time in many years there was white Christmas, but now with more snowfall, there is obviously going to be more joy. With camera person Chandi Ram, this is Kamaljeet Sandhu in Solang Valley for India Today.